welcome to the third session of the Build Your Side Business in 21 Days Masterclass, and today is day 11, and today we'll be looking at how to assemble your business arsenal. This third session actually is the prepare to launch session. So what I'll be doing in the next few days is that I'll be showing you what you need to put in place to prepare for the launching of that your side business. So starting from this episode till the next 3 episodes, that is what I will be doing. So today, as I've said, we will be assembling everything you need for you to start your business. Everything you need, every little or much information that you need will be gathered together today. So you want to focus on the important things that matters in your business. So you will learn how to find, how to gather or create specific tools or resources or information that you will need to make your business come alive. I never really believed you could go this far, but I'm glad you did. And I want to say the remaining part of this masterclass is going to be something you will enjoy. So we are focusing on how to put in place everything you need to launch your side business. So as you prepare to launch your side business or offer, you need to have every tool, every resource, every information, just every details of that business in your startup arsenal. So I have itemized some of the things I believed you should have in your toolkit before you launch that side business. Whether you want to sell a product or you want to sell a service, so you need all this in your business arsenal. They might be more than this. What are the things I'll be itemizing? But you know your business more than I do. So I'm just giving you a guide as to what to do. So these are the things you should put in place. The first thing I believe you should put in place right now, since you already created an offer, you already have your stories and all that, is that you need to get a vendor. Get your vendors. Could be someone, could be more than one vendors that you can buy your products from. If you want to go into selling now, for example, you want to sell clothes, sell shoes as your side business, then you need to get contact of people that you can buy from, perhaps in wholesale price, that when you buy from them, you'll be able to have a larger profit margin. So you need to get your vendor ready so as to stock your inventory when you are ready to launch. Then if you are into selling of a service, I want to believe you should already have a skill. So if you don't have a skill, then you need to get trained by someone that already has experience in that which you want to venture into. So you need to get trained and ensure that you enroll for their mentorship. That's the second thing you should get. Then another thing I feel you should get is you need to get a bank account. It could be a corporate account, it could be a savings account, and of course it could also be a fintech account, because you will need more than one bank account for you to indeed have a seamless payment process or system in your business. So of course, if you want to open an account, I can actually help you with a corporate account. If you want to open a corporate account, please reach out to me. I will help you to create, I can help you to create one with one prominent bank in Nigeria, and you won't need to stress yourself that much. So of course, this account you are creating must be different from your personal account. Yes, separate your business account from your personal account. Then you also need to work on getting a debit card or a credit card, as the case may be. And of course, you can also get a POS for online transaction. And if you feel you don't have that luxury of time to get a debit card, going to the bank and registering, you can actually get a virtual card. Yeah, a virtual card will do. I know banks like Kuda, they have virtual cards now, and I think that is the only bank I know of that has virtual card. So some other fintech also, I want to believe they have their virtual card that can help you to pay for goods online. Then you also need to set up your payment and invoice system. So these two systems ensures that you have a way of getting paid. There's no how you do a business and you won't look for a way of getting paid. So personally, for invoicing, I use Vyapa app. Is on Google Play Store. I use Vyapa app to create and send invoice to my clients if I want them to make payments. So, and of course, I also use Paystack or Flutterwave at times to collect money, perhaps if they want to pay online. So you also can do that. You can, of course, as you are paying, also start to prepare your tax remittance, because it is very good that you remit tax to the government. Then another thing you need to have is your work agreement template that states the terms of work between you and your customers. You should have a work agreement template so that whenever there's any misunderstanding, in fact, before you go into deals with your customer, they already have that work agreement. So when issues arise, you can easily tender that work agreement to them and you will be on a safe side. So you also need to set up your accounting system. So if you are into selling, in fact, if you are into anything, you should have an accounting system to track your inventories, to track your sales, and also to track your profit and loss. I also use this app called Vyapa app to get this done. I should share the link to the Vyapa app anywhere around this video for you to start using that app. It's a very powerful app and it's almost free. Then also you need to set up your workplace. It is very, very important where you want to work, or you can get a shop if you are into selling. You can get a shop. If you are into service, you can get an office. And if you feel like you want to be working from home, of course, it is very, very okay. But just ensure that it is a place that is conducive for work and easy workflow, and you are less distracted, and it also gives you room to think and to innovate. Ensure that that workspace is a place that you can easily do your stuffs there. And if possible, I will advise that you also have a legal structure. I say that it's very necessary that you befriend a lawyer. Yes, you may need this as your business grows. You may need to have a lawyer to be on the safer side. Then you need to have a budget for branding and promotion. So as you set to launch your business, you need to have budget for that. So it should include, you can also have your offer copies. You should also have your stories of little beginnings, the graphic designs, the sales videos. In fact, you need to just spend money to make money. And lastly, you need to have a system of paying yourself. Yes, it is very good that as you start this business, you should create a system of receiving salary from that business. So I hope these few things that I've shared with you have been of help to you. So the task for the day is that with the tips I have shared with you, I want you to build your own business arsenal and tick appropriately the ones that you have successfully added to your business toolkit. So if you find today's video resourceful, I want you to recommend this masterclass to someone. I want you to drop a comment. I want you to share. And remember, my Awoof 1K offer is still on. The flyer should be around this video for you to learn more about that offer. My name is Shonde Abiola David. People call me Uncle Alikama. I help people get what they want legitimately online using the prevailing digital technology. Till I come your way in the next episode, remain positive. Bye for now.